Tomorrow is the season 3 premiere of Kung Fu, which airs right here on Pix 11. This morning, we're chatting with two of the show's stars.
That's right. Joining us now are Olivia Liang, who plays Nikki Shen, and Shannon, who plays Nikki's older sister, Althea. Good morning to both of you.
Good morning,
looking
ladies.
Fabulous. Hello.
Good morning. Thanks for having us.
Thanks for joining us. Olivia, talk to us a little bit about your character, Nikki, and where she finds herself in season 3.
Yeah, at the start of season 3, we kind of see a parallel with Nikki from season 1. You know, she's starting over a little bit. She's trying to figure out what her purpose is and what's next. But this time around, she's got the support of her family, her sister, and we just start to see her rebuild her life a little bit and get into some more shenanigans.
Wow.
Love
Shenanigans.
I love
the shenanigans. This one's for Shannon, because I want to know a little bit more about your character, Althea, and the character itself. What do you love most about playing her?
I love playing Althea. She is the tech-savvy genius / fashionista older sister to Nikki here, and I love that she's so smart. She's the tech genius, and she's always rambling some very smart stuff, and I'll be honest, I never know what the heck I'm saying, but I think I play it off pretty well.
She does, yeah.
Right.
And I love being a sister. Liv and I get along great. We were actually friends beforehand, so to be on-screen sisters is just so much fun for us to play.
Cool. My 13-year-old son is always like, Mommy, do you think they're really typing actual things when they're like typing so fast? I'm like, I don't know, probably
Sell
not.
it.
No,
Gonna know. Yeah.
They're just like, yes, there's my paper. Shannon, I understand that you had a bit of a full circle moment when you found out you were actually doing the show, and the family tie you have to the original series.
Yes. My grandpa, Walter Suhu, was in the original 1970s version with David Carradine. And back in the day, his family was one of the first business owners in Los Angeles Chinatown. So back in the day, Hollywood, when they were looking for actors or Asian people to be in their movies, because they weren't really leads, they were just background actors, they would go to Chinatown. And so from the age of, I think, 5, my grandpa, you can see him in movies and everything, and he was in the original with David Carradine, and we have a screenshot of that.
Wow.
And so the reboot came, he was so happy and thrilled that I was going to be in it, and that we have a female Asian lead, and it's so
And it's centered around an Asian family.
He was so proud. He was so proud.
As he should be. All right, so what does it mean to both of you to be part of a show like this? Going into season 3, when you first started, did you think it would get to a season 3, honestly?
We still can't believe that we are making a TV show. Like, we're always like, can you believe that they left us here? Like, what? Like, these stages are for us?
Yeah.
So, like, we really haven't lost that sense of gratitude and wonder, honestly. We filmed this entire thing during a pandemic. So it also feels very surreal and out of body, and it feels like a blip in our lives. But no, we're so excited. We understood the importance of this show being the first of its kind, and we take that very seriously, and we're really, really proud of what we've done for our community, and that just in general, we have a really fun, entertaining show.
Yes.
I was just going to touch on that just a little bit, because, we love to celebrate. We're in the middle of Hispanic Heritage Month. And for me personally, I love seeing authentic shows made by authentic people telling the authentic stories. And I wonder what it feels like for you two to be part of this show with an Asian cast, Asian lead, because I know when I grew up, I didn't see Asian leads. I barely saw Latino leads. But when I saw Latino characters, they were the hired help.
Yeah, let alone an entire cast now. Yeah.
Right.
I think it's so. We both agree that it's so rewarding, and we are the first predominantly Asian cast for a drama series on broadcast television. So from the very beginning, I think even when we were all testing together at network, seeing a room full of Asians in the room casting for so many different characters and generations, we're like, wow, this is bigger than just us. And so to be a part of it, we wish we had a show like this growing up to watch on screen. Yeah. So it's really rewarding, and I think everyone loves that.
Yeah, and we get to show so many versions of an Asian American person. So yeah, there are like stereotypical elements where, you know, she's a tech genius, but she's also like a fashionista,
Right.
hilarious, you know, so
like a regular
Like
young
real
woman
people
growing
breaking-
up, right? Yeah.
Yeah, he just happened to be Asian.
Right.
Yeah, yes.
Right.
Oh, fantastic.
Guys, you're beautiful. Thanks so much. Good luck with season 3. Thanks for sharing a little time with us this morning in New York Living. Appreciate it.
So much.
thank you guys for
good luck.
having me.
Absolutely.
Stay well.
Season 3 premiere is tomorrow night at 9 p.m. You can watch it right here on Pix 11.
They're adorable.